Yo, Ethan found just found a great. Oh my god. Where did you found that? I think you should say good as goodies. That's the only thing. Should say goodies. I get good loot. Boys. My bad. That was my mistake.
Give us that. Give me that.
Wait, that's so perfect. That is so perfect. Put it there. I'll be the controller. Can I be the controller? So, what's the water coming?
Just wait.
The water.
It's nothing we're going to die anyways.
Brayden, get your butt back away.
Self! Into the metal!
Oh my god. I was gonna go on the boot that thing. Go. No. Okay. I will burn the.
Oh my god! No! Oh my god!
Guys.
Goodbye, Brayden! I put it in easy mode.
Wait, why am I echoing in your PC?
I just Wait a minute, are we flying?
No.
I think so. We're flying. They're here.
Ethan.
No.
as me.